Model, 2005 Renault Master MM35 2.5 DCI 100 medium wheelbase, starts runs needs turbo 62k miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 62,220. MOT, the 6th of October 2025. Engine, 2463 cc 2.5 DCI 100. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately the servo will need replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Straightforward turbo replacement job definitely worth repairing due to the low mileage. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, tow bar. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.